My pesto is besto the resto.
His name is Ed, and he's got a cooking channel. It's Edible Ed. It's a cooking show. Gonna cook some good food for you.
On today's episode of Edible Ed, I'm going to be making a chicken pesto tomato sandwich with a Parmesan crisp on top and some nice toasted bread. Who's ready? Let's get started.
First step is to butterfly your chicken so the chicken will cook faster. Next, we prepare the marinade. We add some minced garlic.
Man down, man down.
After cleaning up our mess, we add some orange juice to the marinade and some fresh rosemary. Just go ahead and bruise it up a little bit to release those oils. Onto our Parmesan crisps, we just lay out some freshly grated Parmesan onto our silicone baking sheet and put in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's pesto time. Add some fresh basil leaves into your blender, a couple of shallots, chopped up shallots, some minced garlic. We're gonna put some Parmesan cheese in there as well, and then some pine nut.
Sizzle, sizzle.
Slice up some fresh tomatoes, and we're gonna go ahead and season those tomatoes with some lemon juice, some salt and some pepper, and some garlic and herb seasoning. And then I have a secret ingredient. Whenever I roast off some tomatoes, I add a little bit of brown sugar. You also want to season your pesto, so a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper to taste, and then we're going to stream in some extra virgin olive oil as we're blending until it's a nice consistency. I have my pan on a medium-high heat. I'm going to add some olive oil and ghee. Then I'm going to drop our dried, seasoned, marinated chicken breast to the pan. Toast off our bread here. The chicken will take about 4 to 5 minutes per side. I'm going to top the chicken with the seasoned tomatoes and put them in the broiler. They'll be in the broiler for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, and now it's time to spoon some of our pesto onto the roasted tomatoes. And then we'll top the pesto with some shredded cheese. And then we're going to put that back into the broiler so the cheese will get nice and melty. Now it's time to assemble. We go ahead and put the Parmesan crisp on top. I like some mayo, so put some mayo on top of your toasted bread. And we're all done.
Ready for food bites. Emma bites. Here we go. Take a big bite.
Whoa, what is that?
Cheese. Yummy.
What is it, Emma?
Cheese.
Cheese?
And chicken. And tomatoes.
And tomatoes.
And pesto.
And pesto.
Yum.
Yes, listen. Pizza time.
Bye. It's time for some food bites. Let's do it. The chicken is super juicy from being marinated for a couple hours. The Parmesan crisp is nice and crispy. The tomatoes and the pesto kind of round out all the flavors. The bread is nice and toasted. Awesome sandwich. Well, there you have it, another episode of Edible Ed. I hope you enjoyed this one. Definitely stay tuned for next week. It's something really crazy. You'll definitely like it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if there's something cuckoo or crazy that you think I should be making next. Hope you had a good one. We'll see you next time.
His name is Ed.